You've all seen signboards in the shape of squares or rectangles. But at Orchid Digitals, we specialize in creating signboards in the shape of your company's logo. For example, behind me, you will find this laser cut acrylic logo but cut in the shape of a tooth to showcase the name of a dental clinic using laser cut gold acrylic letters set on a white acrylic base. Not only that, we've also installed hundreds, if not thousands, of LEDs under the board. And so, when the lights are switched on, this logo is going to glow super brightly, and it is guaranteed to attract every client who walks inside your office. So the next time you're looking for a solution on logo boards, signboards, or printing, do not hesitate to call us here at orchiddigitals.com.